Picture this, you just gave birth and your little bundle of joy is placed right on your bare chest. Sounds unconventional, right? Well, this isn't just a quirky parenting trend. It's a time-honored practice with significant benefits known as skin-to-skin contact or kangaroo care. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what exactly skin-to-skin contact is, its numerous advantages for both you and your baby, and how you can incorporate this powerful bonding experience into your daily routine. So if you're ready to unlock the amazing benefits of skin-to-skin contact and embark on this incredible journey with your newborn, let's get started. What is skin-to-skin contact or kangaroo care? Skin-to-skin contact is a simple yet profound practice where a baby is placed directly on a parent's bare chest, usually immediately after birth. The baby, who is only wearing a diaper, remains in close contact with the parent for an extended period, promoting a unique and beneficial bonding experience. This practice has been around for centuries, with the term kangaroo care originating from the observation that kangaroos carry their babies in pouches, fostering a similar nurturing environment. Over the years, healthcare professionals have recognized the myriad advantages of skin-to-skin contact, leading to its widespread recommendation and practice in hospitals and homes worldwide. At its core, skin-to-skin contact is about creating a warm, intimate space where the baby can feel the heartbeat, smell the scent, and feel the comforting presence of the parent. This practice allows for a deep emotional and physiological connection to be established from the earliest moments of life, setting the stage for a lifelong bond. Key benefits of skin-to-skin contact for your baby. Numerous studies have highlighted the remarkable benefits of skin-to-skin contact for newborns, laying the foundation for their overall well-being and development. Let's explore some of the key advantages this practice offers to your little one. 1. Regulates body temperature. Newborns are not yet equipped to regulate their body temperature effectively. Their immature thermoregulatory system makes them vulnerable to rapid temperature changes, which can lead to hypothermia. Skin-to-skin contact helps maintain a stable core body temperature by transferring heat from the parent to the baby. The warmth of the parent's chest creates a cozy environment that keeps the baby snug and prevents heat loss. This regulation of body temperature is crucial for a newborn's health, as it ensures that vital organs function optimally and reduces the risk of hypothermia-related complications. 2. Stabilizes heart rate and breathing. A baby's heart rate and breathing can be quite unstable in the first few moments and minutes of life. The rhythmic sounds and movements of the parent's body, including the heartbeat and breathing patterns, create a soothing and calming effect on the baby. This auditory and tactile stimulation helps regulate the baby's cardiovascular system, leading to a more stable heart rate and improved breathing patterns. 3. Boosts brain development. Skin-to-skin contact provides a wealth of sensory experiences that are vital for brain development. The baby's brain is incredibly responsive to touch, sound, and visual stimuli, and skin-to-skin contact offers a rich tapestry of these sensations. The warmth of the parent's chest, the sound of the heartbeat, and the gentle movements all contribute to the development of neural pathways in the baby's brain. This stimulation enhances brain connectivity and promotes optimal neurological functioning, setting the stage for future sensory, emotional, and cognitive development. 4. Promotes breastfeeding success. Breastfeeding is widely recognized as the ideal form of infant nutrition, providing numerous health benefits for both the baby and the mother. Skin-to-skin contact plays a pivotal role in promoting successful breastfeeding by facilitating a strong connection between the mother and baby. The close proximity during skin-to-skin contact allows the baby to easily latch onto the breast, stimulating milk production and establishing a healthy feeding routine. Additionally, the practice helps mothers recognize early signs of hunger and cues from their baby, making the breastfeeding experience more intuitive and satisfying. 5. Enhances sleep and weight gain. Newborns spend a significant amount of time sleeping, and skin-to-skin contact has been shown to promote better sleep quality for babies. The warmth and closeness provided by the parent create a sense of security that helps the baby relax and fall asleep more easily. This, in turn, contributes to healthier weight gain as the baby is more likely to stay asleep for longer periods, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Key benefits of skin-to-skin contact for parents. The advantages of skin-to-skin contact extend beyond the benefits to the baby. This practice also offers a multitude of positive outcomes for parents, fostering a deep sense of connection and well-being. Let's explore some of the ways skin-to-skin contact enriches the journey for parents. 1. Fosters bonding and attachment. Skin-to-skin contact is the cornerstone of bonding and attachment between parent and child. The physical closeness during skin-to-skin contact releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, in both the parent and baby. This surge oxytocin creates a deep sense of emotional connection and nurtures the parent-child relationship from the very beginning. The act of holding and cuddling the baby strengthens these bonds and lays the foundation for a secure attachment, setting the stage for a lifetime of loving interaction. 2. Reduces postpartum depression. Postpartum depression is a common yet serious issue that affects new mothers. Skin-to-skin contact has been shown to help alleviate symptoms of postpartum depression by promoting the release of oxytocin and reducing stress hormones like cortisol. The close bond formed during skin-to-skin contact helps regulate the mother's mood, alleviate feelings of isolation, and enhance overall maternal well-being, fostering a smoother transition into motherhood. 3. Promotes confidence in caregiving. As parents engage in skin-to-skin contact with their baby, they gain confidence in their ability to care for their child. The practice allows parents to learn about their baby's cues, such as hunger and sleepiness, and become more attuned to their needs. This newfound confidence extends to other aspects of caregiving, such as bathing, diapering, and soothing the baby, empowering parents to navigate the challenges of early parenthood with greater ease and assurance. When to practice skin-to-skin contact? The optimal time to begin practicing skin-to-skin contact is immediately after birth. Spending the first hour of life in skin-to-skin contact allows for the establishment of an immediate bond between parent and baby. This practice is beneficial not only for the baby's health, but also for the mother's recovery. During NICU stays, especially for preemies. For babies who require specialized care in a neonatal intensive care unit, skin-to-skin contact becomes even more crucial. Premature babies benefit immensely from the warmth and closeness provided by a parent's chest, which helps regulate their body temperature and promote brain development. Kangaroo care in the NICU can also help reduce the time babies spend in the hospital and increase the likelihood of successful breastfeeding at home, regular practice during naps or feeding times. Once the baby is back home, it's essential to continue practicing skin-to-skin contact. During naps or feeding times, this helps maintain the bond established during the initial hours after birth. The warmth and familiarity of the parent's body create a comforting environment that promotes relaxation and optimal development. Scientific support for skin-to-skin contact. The benefits of skin-to-skin contact are well supported by scientific research, highlighting its significance and promoting positive outcomes for both babies and parents. Let's delve into some notable studies that underscore the importance of this practice. A study published in the journal Pediatrics in 2016 by Moore et al. Investigated the impact of early skin-to-skin contact on thermoregulation and breastfeeding outcomes in newborns. The study found that early and frequent skin-to-skin contact led to better temperature regulation, reduced heat loss, and increased rates of exclusive breastfeeding. These findings reinforce the role of skin-to-skin contact in ensuring the baby's thermal stability and promoting successful breastfeeding. The World Health Organization recognizes the immense benefits of skin-to-skin contact and has made it a key component of their recommendations for immediate care after birth. The WHO advocates for skin-to-skin contact within the first hour of life, particularly in low-resource settings, as it can help reduce the risk of neonatal mortality, improve thermoregulation, and promote optimal breastfeeding practices without the need for additional resources. Tips for practicing skin-to-skin contact. To ensure a comfortable and effective skin-to-skin contact experience, consider the following tips. Ensure the room is warm and quiet. Maintaining a warm and quiet environment is essential for promoting relaxation and bonding during skin-to-skin contact. Adjust the room temperature to a comfortable level and minimize distractions to allow for a peaceful connection between parent and baby. Use a blanket over both the baby and the parent. Using a blanket over both the parent and baby helps maintain warmth and provides a cozy atmosphere for skin-to-skin contact. Choose a soft, breathable material that will keep both the parent and baby comfortable. Include both mothers and fathers. It is important to encourage both mothers and fathers to participate in skin-to-skin contact as it strengthens the bond between each parent and the baby individually. Fathers can also experience the same benefits as mothers in terms of bonding and emotional well-being. As we've delved deeper into the world of skin-to-skin contact or kangaroo care, we've uncovered the profound impact this practice has on the lives of newborns, parents, and healthcare providers. From the countless benefits for the baby's development and health to the emotional and physiological advantages for parents, skin-to-skin contact truly stands out as a powerful and transformative experience. If you found this video informative and want to support us, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might find value in this content. By doing so, you'll help spread awareness and encourage others to embrace the incredible advantages of skin-to-skin contact. Together, we can promote optimal infant care, stronger family bonds, and a healthier future for generations to come.